What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to block public access to your WordPress config.php file using cPanel. This file is one of the most important parts of your WordPress installation. It contains your database credentials, security keys, and other sensitive settings. While WordPress already protects it to an extent, adding an extra layer of security is always a good idea, especially if you want to lock things down even further. And this is one of the great things about hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With File Manager built right in, you can modify key security rules in just a few minutes without needing to install any plugins. If you're not hosting with us yet, make sure to head over to racknerd.com and check us out. Our hosting plans make managing and securing your WordPress site simple and reliable. Now, before we begin, I'll also mention that in previous tutorials, we've already edited the htaccess file to fix WordPress errors and secure other areas of your site. Today, we are adding one more helpful rule that specifically protects your wp-config.php file. All right, let's get right into the steps. So we're going to start by logging into your cPanel account. From the main dashboard, scroll down and open File Manager. Inside File Manager, navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. For most people, this will be the public_HTML directory, unless it's inside of a subfolder for you. At the top right corner of the File Manager, click on Settings and make sure Show Hidden Files is enabled. This ensures you'll be able to see your htaccess file. Once you see it in the list, right-click on the htaccess file and choose Edit. If you see a small warning about editing file systems, just click Edit again to continue. When the editor opens, scroll down towards the bottom of the file. It doesn't matter too much where you place the rule, as long as it's outside of any plugin-specific sections or conditional blocks. Now add the following lines of code to block access to your wp-config file. This tells your server to deny all external access to the wp-config.php file, even if someone tries to request it directly. After typing in the rules, click Save Changes in the top right corner and then close the editor tab. To confirm the rule is working, go to your browser and try visiting yourwebsite.com/wp-config.php. You should see a forbidden or access denied message instead of the file being exposed. And that's it, you have now added an extra layer of protection to your WordPress site by blocking public access to your wp-config file using cPanel. This small security step goes a long way in keeping your site safe, especially since this file contains some of the most sensitive information you have on your site. This is another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you the ability to secure and manage your website in just a few clicks. No plugins, no third-party tools needed, just simple and effective control right inside your hosting account. If you're looking for fast and reliable hosting with full cPanel access, head over to racknerd.com. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step guides just like this one. All right, that closes out this one. I will see you again in the next video.